Feeling good, looking good, living good, everything is good.
Santana, what up?
I wish a nigga would. Yeah, I wish a nigga would. Smoking good, drinking good,
Gang,
fucking good, everything is good. I wish a nigga would. I wish a nigga would. It's like I smell that money from a mile away. Neck full of Lucky Charms, my pockets on St. Patrick's Day. This money I be fucking up, these bitches I be fucking them. Sometimes two at once, yup, double dutching them. I'm that nigga, you know it's true. You wanna be me, I know you do. Your girl want me, I know she do. And if I was her, I would want me too. I'm back till I'm wash the throne. Get a flick of my fancy clothes. Bad bitch with no panties on. Tight jeans, see the camel toe. When he got a zip for my nigga Wiz, I said, what's this? He said Amber Rose. Got a strip pole in my bedroom that your bitch be dancing on. I'm like Rihanna when it come to cake. You fly to me, no fucking way. Riding around with that bitch Nina. Smoking Keisha, that's a double date. Somebody call up Spalding. Somebody call up Nike. I done balled out of my Jordans. Yo, chick, keep calling. We smoke a blunt, then she strip. Then I tongue kiss her pussy lips. Then I come up, give her a kiss so she can taste how good her pussy is. Feeling good, looking good, living good, everything is good. Yeah, I wish a nigga would. Yeah, I wish a nigga would. Smoking good, drinking good, fucking good, everything is good. I wish a nigga would. I wish a nigga would.
Stuffing big cones, we ain't smoking pinners. I'm ballin' like a saint, fucking with them sinners. My pocket's chunky, your shit got that thinner. How I look hungry, I got chefs for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'm rolling up zips, fucking with the dips. These haters talking shit, just a lot of lip. See the niggas that I'm with, that's a lot of Porsches. See my old school car, that's a lot of horses. No rodeo, my eyes like I'm from Tokyo. Got a pound of weed and we alcohol, but I only smoke on my homies though. And every day I'm in the hood. And every day I'm smoking good.
Feeling good, looking.
This is sick. Oh, you're great blokes and I love you. One of those. Who's the best player in the world ever?
For me, the best player in the world ever, Diego Maradona.
Me. Me.
Acho que essa que eu não vou responder.
Sobre o jogo com a Dinamarca.
Não vale a pena.
Movie about me. So why me? Why not Lionel Messi?
I understand him because they're looking for the best player in the world. So.
Speak about positive, speak about FIFA.
Not bad, eh?